once again, you guys are going to spend hard-earned money of things to do in Cayman. So one of the things I'd recommend to you for you dolphin lovers, come visit the dolphin sanctuary. One right here. But it's not a feeding time, so you probably won't see a lot of them. There are not a lot of them in the background at all here. But it's called Dolphin Descovery. All right. So again, a lot of the children love dolphins. There's a little observatory here, so like while like if you don't want to do it, but your parents are doing it or your children, you take a seat while you watch them swim with the dolphins. And yeah, pretty awesome. And most of the time, it's like quite a few dolphins when they start feeding them and stuff. Today, I think it's kind of off day, so you don't see a lot of activity here. It's off season, but I know from Thanksgiving all the way to Easter, it's a lot of you families coming down to do things, to find things to do in Cayman. So this is one of the things I would definitely recommend. It's very family friendly. So again, come and check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. You love animals, and they care for them properly, all that good stuff. So come check us out, guys. And I'll leave my number in the description if you guys need a tour guide to take you here. Feel free to contact us. Take care. See ya.